Hello, you join us at Procurement and Supply Chain Live London 2024. So many highlights over the last couple of days, but I'll try and pick a few of the best bits out for you now.
So you've got all of the different metrics there. Everything real time, everything point and click, everything that our end users get to see. I can even tell how long it takes my boss to approve a purchase order.
One speaker who absolutely lit up the room on day one was Jackie Rock.
It's my job to make sure the staff and the patients who rely on the NHS, and they rely on our commercial teams to buy the right goods and the services they need at the right time. So it's there for the frontline staff.
Now, if I picked out every single highlight from the last 2 days, we would be here for some time, but it would be remiss of me not to mention Michael Van Keulen, Chief Procurement Officer at Cooper Software.
AI is here, it's real. We have lots of use cases. I think last year we did 6 billion different AI prescriptions to our customers. It's real, it's here.
Obviously, Scope 3, a key part of the discussion over the last 2 days here. So we'll pick out a keynote from John Hughes, Scope 3 Global Lead and UK Sustainable Supply Chain Lead at KPMG.
The last couple of years, people have really focused on how do I baseline my Scope 3 emissions? How do I understand where I am today? How do I have a plan to actually move on? Have we moved on enough in the last couple of years? Then the answer is no. So there's a lot more work we've got to do.
Now, of course, there were several panel discussions running across both stages over 2 days, but I'll just flag one that I've just come out of because, well, that's top of my mind. So let's talk about that one. That was the future of logistics and distribution.
Digitization, automation is okay on its own, but you have to bring people along with you. You have to get people to adopt the tools. You have to get people to embrace the change that those tools will bring, because ultimately the process that people used to work with will change through a digitized environment.
So if there was anything you missed at all across stages 1 or 2 at Procurement and Supply Chain Live London 2024, you can catch up on all the best stuff on the app or on our socials.